this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you are not a Stephanie's Journey subscriber, I would love to have you as part of the family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I am doing an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing for a very long time. I got this box from Misfits, and I ordered the small box. It is, I think the small box is $22, and it comes between 13 and 15 pounds. My sticker said it weighed 15 pounds. I took it off because I don't want it to show and give everybody my address. And you can order this. These are organic vegetables. They are oddly shaped or something like that. I'll leave the link below to the website, and if they give me a code, I'll put a code on there as well so that you guys can try it out if you so choose to do so. But you can order weekly or bi-weekly, and they have two size boxes. The small box is $22, the larger box is $35. So I guess depending upon your family size and how much vegetables, because it's fruits and vegetables, how much you eat. And I think I watched other people's videos, and some people, I guess, after you order so many, you can choose what's in your box. But initially, they just give you what they want to give you. So I have no idea what is in here. So we're going to open it up. We're going to see what's in it and go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the box. Let's open it up and see what we have inside of it. And like I said, this is my very first box, and I had a discount code, I think for 25% off for the first box. So this is what you get this month in Produce March. So Brussels sprouts, navel oranges, cauliflower, Italian eggplant. It tells you how to store it, and it also tells you how to use it. Oh, okay, how to cook it. So, oh, I'm glad. I hope I got an eggplant and Brussels sprouts. Well, I love everything on here. What you may find in your box. So it gives you a list of vegetables and fruits, root veggies, and other good stuff. So baby bok choy, Brussels sprouts, collard greens, kale, lettuce, radicchio, Swiss chard, apples, and TOFU mangoes. I think those are the yellow mangoes. Grapefruit, lemons, limes, navel oranges, pears, root veggies, beets, carrots, onions, potatoes, radishes, turnips, other stuff, bell peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, celery root, cucumber, eggplant, green beans, jalapenos, leeks. Oh, I hope I have leeks. Cauliflower, peppers, summer squash, tomatoes, and winter squash. So let's check it out and see what we have in here. Marketplace highlight. Oh, so they have, I guess you can go on their site and order things, because it's like ground cayenne, and everything is organic, as I stated. Avocados, onions, blueberries, Bob's Red Mill. Oh, I use Bob's Red Mill. So I guess these are other things that you can order from their marketplace. This must be something new that they have and get 40% off. So I checked that out, and I guess it'll come with your vegetables, other vegetables, if you order additional items. So this is how everything is. So it gives you a card with the recipe. This is savory mashed winter squash, and it's just a recipe card showing you how to make it, gives you the prep time and all of that on there. So that's good. But like I said, everything is biodegradable or recyclable in this box. So I like how it's packaged. It's all cardboard. So that is good. The other food places, like I used to order from, oh God, I forget the food. For the meals, they can try this. You get an ice pack, and it's still frozen, so that's good. And I save these, especially the smaller ones, and I reuse them. I just put them in my deep freezer and reuse them. So these are good, like if you're traveling or you're having a cookout in a park or what have you. They stay way colder than ice, so I save these and give them to friends once you get too many. And the bags as well that they come in. These bags are compostable and recyclable, and they feel kind of like latex gloves, kind of like, but you can save them and take them to the grocery store when you're buying groceries and use those. So this has green beans in it, I can already tell. So I don't know how much it is, but it feels about like 2 pounds of green beans. So that's what's in that one. We got 1 thing of kale, and when I watch other people's videos, these smaller boxes you get 1 of everything, and the bigger boxes you get 2 of everything, but as you can see, it's all organic. This is kale, regular old kale. Oop, fell off. I got some radishes. I really don't eat radishes, but I eat them if they're in a salad, so I just cut these up and put them in a salad. I might try something else with them and see if I find a way to eat them that I like them, but by themselves, I really don't care for them too much. Got some organic grape tomatoes, my favorite. I just bought some, so I might freeze them. I've never frozen them, but I try to eat the ones I have in these. I don't eat a whole lot of them on a regular basis, but I like to eat them plain by themselves and then cut them up and put them in something. But I'll probably make a pasta with them since I have 2. That way I have a lot. Since I have a lot. I have 2 regular old, I guess these are navel oranges. They look like navel oranges, just regular old oranges. I got 1 grapefruit, and I bought grapefruits in my last grocery haul. I'll link that up there for you guys to see that. Mangoes, so they are yellow mangoes, and they're soft, so they're ready. I got 2 apples. Not sure what kind of apples these may be, but it don't matter. I eat every apple on the planet. So we got 2 apples, 3 apples, I mean. That's just some salt. And we got some organic celery. We got 3 onions. I was hoping they sent me red onions, but they didn't. They sent me 3 yellow, but that's okay. I eat all kinds of onions too. And I wanted some leeks, but they didn't send me those. And 3 really small potatoes. But I love purple potatoes, so I have that. And 2 turnips, a big one and a small one. And I never eat turnips by themselves growing up. We chop them up and put them in turnip greens, so that's probably how I make them, put them in some greens and eat them that way like we used to eat them when we was little. But that is pretty much it of everything that I got in my bag. In my first order, this was only $15. Not too bad, because if I would have got all this from the grocery store, it would have been way more than $15. So let's put it here, set it all up, all crazy for the camera. I wish they wouldn't tie this so tight. Let's see. Now let's see the green beans. Well, the green beans look pretty decent. I might cook these tonight. Anyway. That is it for everything I got in my box. Everything I got in my box for $22. Okay guys, that is it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please list them below, and I'll be sure to answer them. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.